Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a second pair of shoes that my wife got from Macy when they are running a special promotional price. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's an invoice. So this is the stock number, and then the width, medium, size 8, 1 quantity, and here's a description. It's a Italian Amazon Croc, lemon color. Wow, kind of dirty on the bottom. This is by Franco Sarto. And then this is what the shoe's gonna look like. And then you have the FS initial on the wrapping paper. So this one looks like a Croc skin. And you got the nice brown material on the insole right here with the padded. And you got the Velcro strap right here to open and close. And then the size is printed on here, and then the material. Got the Franco Sarto branding right here. So this one protruding outward, okay, on this one right here. With those special threading or something, or design, pretty different. All around the shoes. Even the heel, it is a Croc style or design. So measure the size. So yeah, it's about 3 inch. It's a 3-inch heel. I got the Franco Sarto on the also right here. Here's the other side. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.